Welcome to the only Zontes dedicated YouTube channel. So how to do it yourself at home? Why pay dealers when you can do the job yourself? Please enjoy the video with step-by-step instruction. Please, if you can promote my channel on your social media, I would be grateful. It takes a lot of effort to bring you Zontes content, and the channel can only survive with your help. Regards, Mad Mick. Ah yes, the Zontes high-performance scooter. Sleek, zippy, and right now, coughing like it swallowed a sandbox. Welcome to the hidden world of your scooter's transmission housing, where grime parties hard and performance goes to die. Inside this casing lives your variator and clutch, the dynamic duo that decides whether your scooter launches like a rocket or wheezes like a pensioner on a treadmill. See these variator rollers? They're supposed to roll up and down the ramp plates. Not stick, not stutter, and definitely not look like they've been dipped in barbecue ash. And that's belt dust? It's not seasoning, it's sabotage. Your clutch pads should grip like a toddler holding a cookie. But when they're coated in grime, it's more like trying to hug someone wearing a butter suit. Slippage galore. Cleaning this mess isn't rocket science. It's scooter hygiene. A bit of brake cleaner, some compressed air, and boom, your transmission goes from swampy to snappy. The difference? Night and day. Before, laggy launches, jittery climbs. After, smooth acceleration, crisp engagement, and the kind of throttle response that makes you grin like a kid on Christmas. So don't wait for your Zontes to start sounding like a blender full of bolts. Give your transmission a spa day. Your variator will vibe. Your clutch will clap. And your scooter? It'll thank you with every twist of the throttle. Alright, scooter surgeons, if you enjoyed watching me wrestle dust bunnies out of this Zontes scooter, smash that like button like it owes you money. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next round of scooter shenanigans, firmware fiddling, and the occasional "what was he thinking" mod. And hey, don't just stop here. Pop over to my channel, where the grease is real, the jokes are questionable, and the Zontes scooters and motorbikes always leave cleaner than they came in. Until next time, keep it shiny side up, and may your variator always vibe. While I have your attention on this video, our Zontes channel has over 2,000 videos on how to maintain, strip down and look after your Zontes motorbike or scooter, subtitled in English, French, Spanish and Chinese, on all the Zontes models. So please take a look on my channel homepage where all the bikes are in different playlists.